Hey all, welcome back to the Fire and Water Cooking channel. I'm Darren. Today I'm going to do something I've never done before on the channel. I'm going to do some pulled beef. Got a couple chuck roasts here. I'm going to cook them low and slow for some pulled beef. I'll be right back.
Smoking, grilling, getting hot and hotter. Sous vide and chilling from fire and water.
Alright guys, I'm back. I want to get these chuck roasts ready to go. I took them out of the package already, kind of rinsed them off a little bit. I don't usually use a special binder of any kind to get the rub to stick, but I thought I would do something a little different today and use some Worcestershire sauce. You can call it whatever you want, Worcestershire sauce. And I'm just going to use that to kind of cover the chuck roast before I put my rub on. Doesn't matter if I'm not going to really rub it into it. I'm just going to drizzle it on there. I don't think it's going to affect the flavor after we cook it sous vide, but you never know. We'll try it out, see if it comes out any better than normal. So today I'm going to actually use a different rub that I just bought. Bought a bunch of different rubs from the Atlanta Grill Company the other day. This was one of them, so I decided I'm going to go ahead and try this. It's the Holy Cow Beef Rub by Meat Church. I'm just going to do a nice, generous coat on all sides. And we're going to sous vide this today for 24 hours, and we're going to take it out tomorrow morning, and I'm going to stick it on the smoker, and we're going to finish it off to get it to that pulled beef consistency. So this actually smells pretty good. So I am going to finish putting this rub on, and then we'll get it in the bag. And then we're going to put it in the sous vide. We're going to cook it today at 162 degrees for 24 hours because I want it to render a lot of this connective tissue and fat. And this rub smells really good. You can really smell the pepper. So it's heavy in black pepper and paprika. So, all right, guys, I'm going to get this in the bag and we'll throw it in the sous vide for 24 hours at 162 degrees. I'll be back. Well guys, it's been 24 hours. I just took the chuck roast out of the sous vide. It was in there for 24 hours at 160 degrees. And there is a lot of purge in the bag. Just kind of wanted to show you what it looks like in the bag. It's reduced in size quite a bit. I am going to reserve this purge because what I'm going to do, I'm going to throw this on the grill now in the Camp Chef for about 3 hours or so on low smoke. And I'm just going to let it sit there and absorb all that smoke, get a nice bark on it. Then I'm going to take it out of that and I'm going to pour some of these juices in and pull it, and add some of this juice back into it. So it's going to be pulled beef. That's going to be great. Let me get this out of the bag, get it on the grill, and I'll see you back in a few minutes. All right, guys, my grill is coming up to temp. Smoke's coming out pretty good. I did get this out of the bag, and what I did is I put it in my gravy separator, and I'm gonna use this to, get most of the fat. It's gonna float to the top here. So what I'm gonna mix the rest of that back into the beef when we pull it. But before I put it on the smoker, the Camp Chef, I'm going to use the Holy Cow Meat Church barbecue rub again. That's what we seasoned it up with when we first put it in. I did not pat this dry. I don't want to because I want it to be wet so it gets some of that smoke from the smoker. But I am going to put a little bit more of this rub on. both sides. I'm getting to toss it on the grill. See you guys in about 3 hours. All right, guys, take a look at that. It's got a really good color to it. And I know it's very tender. I'm going to go ahead and just cut a little piece off and show you that. Melt in your mouth. Got the sauce I'm going to put in there. Wow. Melt in your mouth. I'm going to go ahead and get this pulled. This one, look at it's just coming right apart there. I'm going to dip it in the sauce just to give it a taste. Here, let's get a good hunk right here. Take a look at that. Let's get a nice little dip in that sauce. Melts in your mouth, guys. I'm going to go ahead and get this pulled up and shredded. Thanks for watching. Try it at home. Make sure you like, subscribe, share. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Check out the Fire and Water Cooking podcast. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. You need to try this. I'm going to get it pulled up and I'm going to take it for lunch.